This is our U-tube machine, a specialized tool for processing copper aluminum tubes into high-precision U-shapes, used in heat exchangers for air conditioners, radiators, and similar applications. The compact body layout is visible from the side. Functional modules such as feeding, forming, and tube discharge are clearly visible, ensuring efficient and convenient operation. Key components are equipped with servo motors and guide rails to ensure smooth bending operations, precise angle control, and stable, reliable performance. Through a modern operating system, simply input parameters with a single click to effortlessly adjust bending length and angle, achieving high automation and flexible control. The pipe is steadily advanced by the feeding device and precisely positioned into the bending zone, preparing for the next processing step. Here, the tubing undergoes precise control by the bending tool, achieving uniform curvature and accurate angles without wrinkles or deformation. Once formed, the U-tubes smoothly descend into the receiving area, awaiting subsequent inspection or packaging in an efficient and orderly process. The final product undergoes uniform bending and strict dimensional control, demonstrating stable, reliable, and high-quality characteristics that enable direct use in end devices such as heat exchangers. Each precisely formed U-tube stands as a symbol of efficiency and quality. Are you also seeking a highly efficient and reliable tubing processing solution? Contact us to make processing smarter and production more worry-free.